All right, so morning, welcome to Coffee with Grant. You're sitting with Thomus Volketr again on the subject of quantum silver. And what we're going to be doing is running a series of advice clips on various applications. And Thomas, you want to take it away on our first of the session?
Yeah, thank you, Grant. Today we're going to touch on the subject of sinusitis, which is a huge problem amongst many people. And I just would like to share some insights into that and how to handle it. Thank you.
Good.
So we're going to chat about sinusitis, its causes, and then how we can go about treating it and managing it. Right, the causes, I do not have a complete list of them, but the most common causes are allergies. And as you will know, people suffer from all sorts of allergies. It might be pollen or season related, can be house dust or animals or whatever. But what this allergy does, it causes a reaction within the nasal turbinates inside the nose, and then also the adjoining sinuses that they swell up. That's the body's overreaction to these challenges that you inhale. And that causes the congestion within the nasal turbinates. You can't breathe through your nose anymore. It swells up. It causes pain. Very often headaches can go with it. And then what comes secondary is that the infection comes on top of that allergic reaction. And that just exacerbates the condition, makes it worse, lasts longer, and it's really horrible sitting with a blocked nose for a long time. So to reduce this swelling, instead of just having a product that actually treats the symptom, we try and get to the cause of the problem. And if we can eliminate that, then obviously the symptoms will go away. The allergies are not that easy to handle. Because the allergens, the pollen or whatever one inhales that causes the allergy are very common and cannot easily be eliminated from your environment. So how to treat this? The one product that we have is a nasal spray, and I'll show you just now what it looks like. The nasal spray is handy to keep close by. It's a small bottle, and you spray it into each nostril, 2 jabs into each nostril as you inhale, to get as much of this silver into your nose as possible, and repeat that 4 or 5 times daily. So if you're at work, keep the bottle with you. If you travel, keep it in your car or in your vehicle with you, so that you can repeat it, especially the first 2 or 3 days. Makes a big difference. If you have a nebulizer, that is actually a very, very handy machine to have. The nebulizer breaks up water particles and makes very, very tiny water particles, even smaller than what the nasal spray is. And if you inhale that product with the silver, it goes deeper into your sinuses, into your nose, and even into your lung to help the recovery from whatever condition and infection you have. In the nebulizer, you can put in our quantum silver into that small jar. That's usually 8 milliliters or 10 milliliters, and then takes about 10 minutes to inhale all of that as the nebulizer produces these small molecules. You can also use that same nebulizer even for babies. Just don't push the mask onto the face of the baby, because it will probably not react that well and start screaming. So just keep the mask close to the nose of the baby so it can inhale this silver, this quantum silver, to get to the point where the infection is and help clear it up. And then on top of the nasal spray, always drink the quantum silver as well. 2 times daily, 50 milliliters, or 1 capsule twice a day for 5 days. This together, in other words, you attack that infection from the inside, your blood circulation brings the silver to the point of infection, and also topically through the nasal spray or the nebulizing brings that silver closer to it. So if you do it that way, your recovery is so much faster. We're selling a lot of these nasal sprays because it has helped hundreds of people who have tried all products on the market with very little results, or it keeps on recurring. And once they use our product, they're very happy because it clears up. They can breathe properly. And whenever it should come again, or that season of the year comes where the allergies are around, they know where to get our product and use that for quick recovery. Thank you. I think that pretty much sums it up. As I say, there are many more reasons for it, but this is the best approach with very good results and hundreds of patients that we've already helped with.
Thomas, that was very informative. So you've got to rush out, or you go onto our website, which is www.q-health.co.za. I'm going to put it on the screen for us if you didn't get that. So, Thomas, once again, thanks for joining me on Coffee with Grant. And these sessions are incredibly informative. I just love them. Thanks a million, man.
Right.